Hi, I'm Tanish. This is my SECR4483 alternative assessment on the Medichain Health Vault Bridge. Audited three files, Search PHP, Auth PHP, and Crypto Vault PHP, and I'll walk through the root cause flaws, my refracted fixes, and the test results. First, the core flaws in Search PHP. The keywords is concatenated straight into SQL string. So the database versus attacker input as command, a union select dumps the whole patient table. My fix shown here in table 2.1 is a PDO prepared statement. The query is compiled first, then the value is bound separately, so it can never re-enter SQL grammar. The same file echoes input into HTML unescaped reflected XSS, so I encoded at the sync with HTML special chars. In table 2.2, the length check used string length which count bytes, so multiply payloads slip past the limits. I switched to MB star string length which counts characters, and credentials were unsalted MD5 reachable on GPU in seconds. I replaced with the AGEN2 ID which is memory, hard, and salted. Next, the crypto pipeline. The old code used AES128ECB, which encrypts each block independently, so identical record leak, identical ciphertext. I move AES GCM authenticate encryption. The key is no longer hard coded, it's loaded from the environment and kept out Git by Git node. On encryption, I generate a fresh 12-bit, then serialize the output as 4, then ciphertext, then the 16-byte authentication tag. You can see that layout figure 3.1. On decryption, the engine slices those fixed width field back out by offset 4. From the front tag from the back ciphertext in the middle, GCM verifies the tag before returning any plain text, and if the tag fails, it throws a handle exception instead of leaking data. Finally, the test. Table 3.3 maps the three runtime states I assert, and this screenshot in chapter 4 shows the actual run, all tests passing green. The round-trip test proves a clean encrypt-decrypt cycle. The four uniqueness tests provide identical input gives different ciphertext, no ECB leakage. The key one is the tempered ciphertext case. A single flip bit makes GCM's tag check fail, and the code throws a runtime exception. PHP units expect exception marks that thrown exception as a pass, a control security failure, not a crash. If it had crashed, PHP unit would show a red error instead. The AGEN2 test confirm correct key verifies, wrong key fails. So, injection exercise the weak bound MD5 and ECB all are close structurally, and the test confirms it. Thank you.